Hello everyone, hope all is well. In this tutorial I will show you how can you easily set up your WordPress website in Namecheap. So to install that we have to log into our Namecheap panel. So we have already logged into our Namecheap's cPanel, and if we scroll down you will see that this is our Namecheap cPanel here. And if we see our website, as you see that the website is blank now. Now we will install the WordPress here. So I need to scroll down a little bit, and here we will see that software WordPress managed by Softaculous. So I will click here and it will take us to the Softaculous software environment. Here we will click on install button. So it will take some time. So here you have to mention the directory. Normally if we want to install it directly to the root domain, that is simoncoder.com in my case, then you just keep it blank. But if you want to create a directory, like if you want to create a directory like /test or something else, then you have to write down here a name of the directory. You can write anything here. So I am keeping this blank. I want to install this to my root directory, that is simoncoder.com. So to do that I am keeping this blank, and this is WordPress version. I am keeping this the latest version, so I want the latest version to be installed. If we scroll down, there is a site name, asking for a site name. We can give here a site name. Suppose in my case it is simoncoder.com. and site description, you can write something as site description, but I am keeping it blank. It is not a multi-site, it's a single site, so I am keeping this to blank. And here admin account, you have to give an account username. So I am just giving a name here like Imon as a username, and password, something strong password should be given here like Imon @123 BD. As you see that the password has become stronger, so we are just copying this for our future use. This is our username and our password. This is our password. I'm copying this and pasting in a notepad file for future use. And here you can provide an email address. In my case it is imonwpcoder@gmail.com, and keeping the language as it is, that is English, and keep this as it is. And if we scroll down a little bit, you just click here install button. So I'm clicking here. They are asking that password strength must be greater than 80, so we need to make the password more more strong, it should be 80 here. So we can write this, write a strong password. So what I can do is give double star. As you see that it has become more stronger, so we are just replacing the new password here, and as you see that it has become 85, so it is okay now. Just click on install button, and it will take some time to complete the installation process. We need to wait for a while. As you see that the installation has been completed, so if we go to this email address, like if we refresh this, we'll see that WordPress site is showing. So it's a blank default installation of WordPress website. And if you want to log into our WordPress website, then we have to go to the administrator panel. So I am going to this link, that is imoncoda.com/wp admin, and it will here the login page will open up. So here we will give username Imon and password. Here just copying the password. Username Imon is already here, so I am changing the password here, just giving the password here, and click on login page. It will logged into my dashboard. So just a minute. You can click here exit launch, and as you see that we have logged into our WordPress dashboard. And if we visit our site, you will see that the same website is showing up here. Now we will go back to our dashboard. Just click on dashboard, so the dashboard will be opened up. So as you see that it is very easy process to install WordPress successfully. So in next classes we will see that how can we create a full stack website and successfully. Thank you.